How to move files and documents into Google Drive folder. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to organize your files and documents in Google Drive? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome and then go to your Google Drive. Now, choose the file that you want to move to a folder. Tap on the three dots on the right hand side, and you'll find the Organize option. Here, tap on Move, and then it will show you all of the folders that you have created in your Google Drive. You can choose any folder and then hit Move. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Your Google Drive can be organized easily like this. If you want to select more than one file and document at the same time, just hit Control and then select all the files at the same time. And then you can tap any of the three dots and then uh, move all of the files at the same time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.